Great to see VDD Toys keep coming with some good blasters. They keep kind of getting better and better blasters there on Amazon, and this is their newest M4a1. So it looks very similar to other A1s we've seen up there, even similar to the one that they sell, but this has been upgraded. So you're going to get a couple bonuses with this one. First, this is going to have an upgraded motor. It's got a 460 motor in there instead of the standard. And that should be doing about 20,000 RPMs, where the previous or standard one that you get in most M4A1s does about 14,000, right? So that motor is going to go faster, okay? And then also you're going to get a metal inner barrel instead of just a plastic inner barrel. So those are the two big differences you're going to get with this. And according to VDD Toys, you should be hitting FPSs around 280. So I would say anything over 250 will be, will be good, because a lot of times those ratings they give are the max, right? Not necessarily the average. So if this pulls an average above 250, that's great, and I think it's a great deal. They also make it in all black. So let's talk a little bit about it, and let's kind of go over some of the differences. Obviously, safety glasses. Make sure you wear eye protection when you're playing. Whatever it is, wear something, right? I'm not going to even really talk about the gel beads. Personally, if you buy this blaster, I would use better gel beads. If you're stuck with buying them on Amazon, get like Shrap Gel Milky Whites. Otherwise, if you're open into buying them off other websites, either go to Gel Tactical, X-Force, Tac USA, get something from there that's a better, at least a mid-grade, if not better, gel ball. I like the Ozgel original Milkies as well. So try something like that. You should get some better performance. And of course, as always, with any of these blasters, if you have problems with one type of gel ball or brand, try a different one. It can make a huge difference. I have problems with even the best, most expensive gel balls sometimes, and then some cheaper ones work better. So it just really depends. So just keep that in mind, right? Got a nice big drum mag. Of course, it's motorized, right? Remember, never leave gel balls in here. Make sure it's empty when you're done. Even leave like the little door open. Give it a chance to dry out. All right. Battery, the 1500 mAh 7.4 volt. This comes basically standard with all M4A1s that I've ever showed you. So just what you'd expect right there. Here is that metal barrel. So this metal barrel is going to come to you empty, right? This little piece, plastic piece, is going to be on the plastic barrel. And then there'll be an extra spring. So you're going to move that little plastic piece over to the metal barrel. I don't know that it's really necessary, but you might as well, right? So move it over there. And then make sure you insert the metal barrel in here all the way first. I know I've shown you with some of the other M4s when we use the plastic barrel, it's okay to put the barrel through the foregrip first. On this one, it's best to put this in here and just keep pushing until you kind of feel some resistance. And once you feel some resistance, you know it's in there all the way. And you need that in order for there to be as little bit of air loss, when you're shooting as possible. So you want to just make sure it's in there nice and tight. And then, of course, your barrel's just going to go on like they always do with the M4A1s. All right. So we got that in there nice and tight. And the metal inner barrel should not be sticking out of this at all. If it is, you didn't push it in far enough. Okay, so keep that in mind. For an optic, they do give you a little nicer optic, like it actually does light up. There's so many of them out there that don't. So you do get that little green, right? And this actually just tightens on. It's easiest to typically twist that and then slide it on and tighten it down. Otherwise, you basically have to unscrew it all the way and set it on the rail and tighten it. When it comes to the buffer tube, obviously not much to this. We've seen this in a lot of blasters, all the M4A1s and some others as well. And we'll just toss the battery in here. I still am partial to going battery first and then plugging it in the back, but of course, do whatever works best for you. Got it on there. With the drum mag, primes, mag release right here, safety, semi, fully automatic. So there you go, VDD Toys upgraded M4A1. Comments, questions, let me know what you think. Please like, please subscribe, share my channel with your friends, and make sure you're participating in those monthly giveaways. I love giving back to all of those who support me. Thanks.